Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but as you can see, we're in the fabulous city of Sin today, guys. It's getting a little bit later on in the evening. You guys wanted to see some more evening nighttime filming, so that's what we're going to do here for you guys. Saved myself, I didn't drink anything throughout the day, so we'll be cleared and slur-free. So we are going to have to keep these videos under 20 minutes. I'll try and watch the time here, because what happens is when I record these videos in 4K at 60 frames per second to get the absolute best quality that we can for you guys, but unfortunately the problem with that is it overheats the camera quite a bit, and we have camera malfunctions and stuff like that, which happened yesterday with the strip walk. Not a big deal, but what we are going to do to compensate it is I have a second gimbal, second camera setup that we'll use for that as well. So it will get a little bit better, but just bear with me. So for now, what we're going to do is keep these videos to under 20 minutes, and then we'll just shoot with the other gimbal as soon as one craps out, I guess we'll say, and then just pick up with the other one until that cools down, and then hopefully do some night strip walk here for you guys. So that's going to be something that I never done before on the vlog. So I have the Hero 7 with the Karma grip, so we'll definitely have to check that out, and that's what we're using actually right now. So we'll take you guys kind of on this stroll up the boulevard this way. Usually we've always walked from the north to the south, but this time we're going to walk from the south to the north. And we're on the east side of the boulevard here. Right now it is, what is today? I think it's Wednesday. It's about 5:30, 5:45-ish, roughly, right about there. And it's a beautiful day, about 82 degrees, 83 today. So yeah, perfect day. Not too hot and not too cold, as one would say. We're in the Goldilocks zone. Over to my right is the big Coca-Cola souvenir shop, so if you guys want to grab some Coca-Cola souvenirs, be sure to check those out. Up ahead, this ABC store also has souvenirs and stuff that you can buy, as well as CVS, Walgreens. They have a bunch of souvenirs that you guys can pick up. Also beer and water if you guys need to get refreshed on these hot summer days in Las Vegas. I definitely hear you. Good news for all you Chick-fil-A lovers out there. I love Chick-fil-A, but they are building a Chick-fil-A actually right on the strip, so you don't have to go up towards Sahara and I-15, I think is where the other Chick-fil-A was. Speaking of Chick-fil-A, that's what I actually did for lunch today, so it's good stuff. I can't wait till they open the one actually on the strip, so you don't have to go off the strip to enjoy stuff like that.
1, 2, 3, make it!
This is all under construction, so you'll see that here in a little bit. And that's, we updated you guys on, kind of give you an update once it's all done as well, of what this turns out to be. So far they just got a steel structure put up. But yeah, I definitely enjoy the desert. One of the main reasons why is there's no humidity, so it's not hotter than the dickens out right now. Even though it's about 84, 85 degrees, it is not too terribly bad. Over on my right is Walgreens, so if you guys need to stop and grab something, there's a spot to do it. Fat Burger's up on my right over across the street. If you're on the other side of the strip, there's CVS Pharmacy, so you You can stop at one of the two and get your refreshments done. Kind of make our way down to the Mirage. I think that's where I was gonna throw a few dollars away, or hopefully put a few dollars back in my pocket, shall we say, if good luck pays off. And gamble a little bit at the Mirage, maybe catch the Volcano show before we head back southbound on Las Vegas Boulevard. But I hope you guys enjoy some of the stuff that I have planned for you guys. I did bring a light with me, so if all else fails, I do have a little attachment that I can add for the Karma grip and maybe do some night filming. I don't know how well that will work though, because that light is extremely bright and I think it might piss a lot of people off, especially if you're walking the other way and the light is 36 LEDs that are shining in your face. It's a little excessive. But it's been a good Memorial Day. I did have some luck on some slots earlier. Had some luck on craps, and who knew? Normally I don't play craps, but I guess I'm a pretty consistent roller. I can roll 6s and 8s pretty damn good, and I can usually do hard 8s pretty well too. But yeah, my buddy's more into craps. I'm not really into that, but found out that I'm good at it over the week here. Played some craps, won some money, played some poker, won a lot of money, and then slots, like I said, didn't really do so hot. Like I think I put maybe 500 or 600 in, and I think didn't really get anything until today. I hit it for like 225, and then hit it for, what was it, 115, 120-ish?
Miami in the house, let me get out the way. Shit, they rolled.
Yeah, right. Rockin' Riley's is up over on my right, so if you guys want to check that out, that's a good little spot to grab lunch or dinner, whatever. So like I was telling you about these big signs over here, I got a decent view from my room, so hopefully I'll get a good time lapse of all that stuff. And it will turn out pretty good.
Sometimes I'll use Albertsons on Bodega so I don't have to walk back.
Back over here, off to the right, is Travelodge. And places to grab beer. I think they have 2 for $5, 16 ounce Budweiser and Bud Light over to the right. So over in that little souvenir shop, that's where you can go to get that. Then we're coming up on the old Harley Davidson Best Barbecue in Las Vegas. But that is no longer shut down, but the sign is still there. They did take the big motorcycle off, but you guys can see the old video. I think I have one from like 2014 that's up on the channel. So if you guys go way back in the channel's history and in the videos, you can find that video and see what this place used to look like when it was open. But this place has been closed for, I think, going on 2 or 3 years now. So kind of surprised that this much of a location, nothing really has been done, but oh well. I hate taking stairs, but oh well, sometimes you have to do it. But this is why I always take stairs at home, so that way I'm always practiced for when I come here and these don't work. Coming up on Twin Peaks, Rainforest Cafe. There's Walgreens in here as well. There's McDonald's that's downstairs, and the Taco Bell Panda Express too. But those are all going to be on the lower level. Buzz through here, grab some air conditioning, and watch the time.
The redesigned Honda Civic. The standard Honda Civic.
All right, Rainforest Cafe is right over to my right-hand side, so if you guys were looking for that from the old MGM, that's where it's moved to.